Hi, welcome back again to this channel. This will be a very quick video. This video is about this Honeywell thermostat, and the video is about how to change the battery in this Honeywell thermostat. And you can see it's a Honeywell thermostat. So you don't have to remove the thermostat from the wall. You change the battery as the thermostat stays on the wall, and I'll show you how you do it. Is you come here on the side, on the top here, on the side here, there's a button. You push the button, and you can see it opens up, and inside you see the two batteries in there. So you remove the batteries and change them. It's easy. Change the batteries, and when you're done, you take it, put it back in there. Just put it back in there the same way, and push it in. Let it click back in, and it's in there. It's quick and easy. Just pull this button up here. So this is how you change the battery on a Honeywell thermostat. So if you ever see a sign saying change batteries, it's easy. That's how you do it. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next video. Hope you have a good day. Bye.